The times are changing, and so is the world around you. At CVM University, we help you prepare for the future, like we have with more than 10 lakh students. Come, join the educational legacy of 75 years. CVM University, enlightening the future generations.
Mr. Sanket Bhatia. Sanket Bhatia is an alumnus of ADIT College and an MBA from Symbiosis International University, Pune. He has contributed to many industrial projects, especially in food processing sector. Amul is the one of his precious clients. He has worked with Endeavor Careers as a general manager. He is versatile speaker and has delivered seminars and workshops at more than 200 institutes across the country. Many students mentored under him have cleared the entrance exams like CAT, ZAT, SNAPS, etc. And they have touched the pinnacle by getting admissions to one of the top B schools in India, including IIMs and IITs. He is also the co-author of undergraduate handbook, The Way Up Direction for Life, which involves different career options for students after 12th standard. Currently, he is associated with renewable energy sector named Photovoltaic Solar as a general manager, which is one of the largest distributor of solar products in Western India. So on a final note, he is also a fascinating individual and we are grateful for his presence amongst us today. So please welcome Mr. Sanket Bhatia. I hand over the session to Sanket Bhatia. Please, sir.
Hi guys, good morning everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Am I audible, everyone?
Yes, sir, it's audible.
Okay, great. So, one small request. I'll try to keep this session short and sweet also, obviously. And one more thing, I would request every one of you to mute your mic, one. And second thing, whatever questions you have or any discussion we have, I would request every one of you to be active on a chat box. So again, good morning everyone, and whoever are present today in the session, please answer in the chat box. I hope I am audible to every one of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Please respond in the chat box only. Great. I can see around 17 people. Everyone is from food technology. Okay. Arshpreet says yes. Great. Okay, today I'm not your sir or something. You can consider me your senior because I cleared my food processing technology from the same college in 2004 and 2008. That is from 4 to 8. That is 04 FT batch 1. And second thing, later on, I have an experience of more than 10 years in education industry and recently shifted to renewable energy, that is solar energy sector 1. Apart from that, I've done my MBA from Symbiosis International University, which is in Pune, especially in agribusiness management. Right, so technology plus management, it is a very good combination. Now, today, what I'm going to guide you is, as the session is for, especially for food technology students, but it doesn't mean that food technology students cannot get other sectors as well. See, basically, first thing, you are an engineer. Food technology बाद में आ जाए, पहले आप engineer हो, right? And being an engineer, first thing, the best part about engineering, what I have felt in the 4 years, is engineering has a power that it makes a student in such a way that they can do anything in their life. So, cutting short to our discussion, मैं आपको साफ बताता हूँ. सबसे पहले मैं आपको एक सवाल पूछता हूँ. You can again write your answer in the chat box. What you want to do in your future? Now, irrespective, आप food technology कर रहे हो, छोड़ दो. Forget about food technology, forget about engineering, everything for now. because today career options what I'm going to give you is not just related to food technology, but other things also that an engineer or a food technology engineer can do in India, and bit about abroad education also I'll be giving you idea. So what you want to do in your future, tell me, where do you see yourselves 10 years or 15 years down the line? I cleared my engineering in 2008 and I am right now here in 2020. Not to say 2020 is not a great year for everyone. Everyone knows that. So yes, tell me, everyone, type your answer in the chat box. Joining a reputed company, it means after engineering, you want to go for a job, right? Okay, great. Others? I want to also go for a job, Nancy says. Fair enough. Others? Please, everyone answer, because I want to keep it interactive. See, I will not, don't consider me as a just someone coming and giving you a lecture. I'll be acting as a senior and also mentor. And if required, whenever this pandemic goes down, and if required, I'll come and visit you guys and also guide you or mentor you. And at the end of the session, I'll also give you my personal number. कभी भी आपको call करना है, कभी बात नहीं है, I'll be most helpful to you guys and give you the right direction. Okay, someone says, Arshpreet says, want to join a bakery industry or a food safety officer. Okay. Akash says FDA officer. Excellent. Others? I've got answer from only 4 or 5 people. There are more than 17 participants. Food inspector, okay, or in a respectable position. Fair enough. FSO, excellent. So everyone wants to go for a food safety officer or something. Anyways, now today what I am going to okay, do you have a pen or paper or something? Because see, I'm not a kind of person who will present you with a PPT and so on. Nah, that is not my type anyways. When I was in Endeavor, I used to make a presentation, so because of the company norms or something, but now I would rather, especially to my juniors, I would like to guide one-to-one, right? Or today, as if now one-to-many, later on definitely one-to-one also. Whatever session I'm going to guide you today is specifically to different aspects of career. Now, one by one, we will talk about. The first option that we are going to discuss is campus placement. Engineering college, it means campus placement becomes very much important. I'll tell you why. Campus placement is the best placement. I'll give an example. If any company, say Pepsi, Coca-Cola, you take an example of any company that comes to your campus, they will recruit you. वही कंपनी अगर आप बाहर जाके जॉब ढूंढोगे ना, they will not give you the same salary, right? So campus पे place होना, ठीक है, itself is a matter of pride. Let me give an example. At my days, there was no campus placement, right? We used to search for the placements, but nowadays you have that facility. Now, obviously, pandemic has ruined a lot of jobs, but yes, food industry is progressing nowadays, and food technology will definitely come on a upper side. Now, अगर आपको job भी करनी है, absolutely fine, but ask yourself one thing. अगर कोई कैंपस पे कंपनी आती है, आपको जॉब देगी या नहीं? फर्स्ट थिंग. और अगर देगी तो क्यों देगी? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नाउ there would be two type of companies that would be coming to you. The first is technical, related to food technology, right? First step of a campus placement is nothing but an aptitude test, right? एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट, उसके बाद आपका जनरली ग्रुप डिस्कशन होता है और फिर पर्सनल इंटरव्यू होता है. यू गाइस मे बी वेरी गुड एट द टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट्स, but where an engineer is lacking is aptitude and personality. अगर मैं अभी सबके सामने आपको खड़े होकर कुछ 10 मिनट का या 15 मिनट का स्पीच देने के लिए बोलूं, आप लोग में से शायद एक या दो ही वो चीज कर पाएंगे. And even when I'm talking about aptitude has nothing to do with your technical knowledge related to food technology. It has to do with your analytical skills, your IQ, your verbal ability skills, your mathematical skills. These things are actually testing your common sense. आजकल अगर मैं बात करूं, लॉजिक और कॉमन सेंस नहीं है. The reason behind this is a lot of people get recruited and they are thrown out of the company just because they lack common sense. And let me tell you one thing, that common sense is not so common. It means you have to develop that skills. This 4 year of engineering will teach you logic compared to other people like commerce grad or any other grads. ठीक है, you will have that added advantage, but वो skill को polish करना बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Hence, if you're planning for a placement, the first thing you should be preparing on two things, aptitude and personality. Because see, understand, if I am a food company, I want to recruit a food engineer, मेरे को जो आपको काम करवाना है ना, वो मैं आपको सिखा भी दूंगा. I'll give you training for 2 months, 3 months, and you'll be trained and equipped to do that job. But I cannot teach you common sense. And hence, it is very necessary to develop that skills if you want to get into one of the top reputed company as a food engineer. Whatever specialization you want to go for, that is a secondary. किसी को बेकरी में जाना है, किसी को डेयरी इंडस्ट्री में जाना है, ये अलग चीज है. बट वहां पे जाने के लिए जो तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आर यू गेटिंग इट? यस और नो? नाउ हाउ टू डेवलप एप्टीट्यूड ये मैं बाद में बताऊंगा, बट ये चीज समझ आ रही है सबको? Let me tell you one thing. एक कंपनी हमारे टाइम पे भी आई थी, but I did not get selected for the only reason because I was not that great at communication skills that time. Now you can clearly judge me with the communication skills, what I am discussing it with you, right? So this particular thing has to be developed. A lot of us are Gujarati or maybe speaking in Hindi during our college days, but when it comes to speaking in English, ठीक है, we lag behind. डर लगता है, यार मेरा दोस्त क्या बोलोगे, શું इंग्लिश में फाड़े छे, and something like that, right? But understand, वो टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश से भी आप एक अलग रेपुटेशन आप करोगे, एक डेवलपमेंट आएगा आप में. Now, why I am telling you this? Because this is a basic necessity for any job that you are going to do. The second option, this was campus placement. Okay, so now someone please take a note. मेरे को आपको क्या क्या डेटा देना है. First, last में at the end of the session I will give you how to prepare for an aptitude for campus placement. कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है, कहाँ से लेना है, कहाँ से आपको क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे, कहाँ से पेपर्स मिलेंगे, ये सब मैं बताऊंगा आपको. डोंट वरी, ठीक है. लास्ट में सिर्फ एक बंदा कोई भी मेरे से ये सब चीजें मांग लेना, ठीक है. मैं मेरा फोन नंबर भी दूंगा, या तो वन पर्सन आई विल जस्ट सेंड यू अ डिटेल्ड SMS व्हाट टू प्रिपेयर एंड हाउ टू प्रिपेयर. आप अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में फॉरवर्ड कर दीजिए, राइट. नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन, इफ यू गो फॉर सर्चिंग ऑफ अ जॉब, naukri.com, monsterjob.com, इधर उधर कहीं ना कहीं जॉब, नाउ दैट इज अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टास्क. And that is why I always favor campus placement. I'll tell you why. Because campus placement is an easy option for you guys, and वही आपको ज्यादा पैसे देगा compared to the same company if you search for the job outside. Right? So first try should be campus placement. Now second option, जो जनरली किसी ने, इंग्लिश आना जरूरी होता है क्या जॉब के लिए? Yash, let me tell you one thing very clearly. It clearly depends on your job, but long term, आप अगर शॉर्ट टर्म बोलते हो, शॉर्ट टर्म मतलब इफ यू जस्ट काउंटिंग 2 to 3 years of your career, it may or may not be required. बट लॉन्गर रन, इवन आप फूड टेक्नोलॉजी से आगे फूड मैनेजर जब बनोगे, ठीक है, कोई भी कंपनी का ग्रोथ आप सोच के समझो, एक छोटी पोजीशन से शुरू करके एक बड़ी पोजीशन पे आप जाते हो, डेफिनेटली वहां पे जब आप अपने क्लाइंट से बात करोगे, यू विल हैव टू टॉक इन इंग्लिश. सो even if you are from a Gujarati medium till 12th, and right now you are in obviously English medium college, which is ADIT, this 3 to 4 years will actually help you. You have to develop that skills, and how to develop ye bhi main bataunga aapko, don't worry. Even I was not that great in English, but yes, ultimately we all learned. एंड इट इज नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट. जब मोदी को इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं आता था, वो खुद अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा भी बोल लेता है जैसे तैसे, एंड ही कम्युनिकेट्स. यार आप लोग तो आराम से कर लोगे, मेरे को भरोसा है आप पे, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन थ्रू दिस स्टेज. सो अंडरस्टैंड, यू ऑल विल डू. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, वो टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश से काम नहीं चलता. शुरू में चल जाएगा, ठीक है, बट वो बोलोगे तो आपकी टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश भी बेटर होगी विद एक्सपीरियंस. बट डर के काम नहीं चलेगा. मेरी टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश है इसलिए मैं इंग्लिश में नहीं बोलूंगा, ये डर की वजह से आप आगे कभी नहीं बढ़ पाओगे, इतना याद रखना. नेक्स्ट, व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस वाज, आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट कैंपस प्लेसमेंट. अब बात करते हैं, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वांट टू बिकम अ टीचर, अ प्रोफेसर और एचओडी और प्रिंसिपल ऑफ एनी रिनाउंड कॉलेज इन टेक्निकल फील्ड? Are you getting it? Now, the best experience you can get it from either Nandani sir, you have sir there, you have Kulkarni sir है, दीक्षा मैम से बात कर सकते हो आप, श्रीवास्तव सर से बात कर सकते हो, ठीक है. I know each and every of the college professors very well, ठीक है. Now, I'll be giving you a very simple formula to become a teacher. टीचर के लिए 2 स्किल्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. फॉरगेट अबाउट क्या डिग्री लेनी है, कैसे लेनी है, वो तो मैं बताऊंगा, बट 2 स्किल्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फर्स्ट, व्हेन यू रीड एनीथिंग, यू शुड बी एबल टू ग्रैब दैट कंसेप्ट वेरी वेल, ठीक है. ऊपर छल्ली पढ़ाई नहीं चलेगी. यू हैव टू गेट इनटू डीप ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी स्टडी. 1. So not necessary that even the topper of your class may able to become a good teacher. No, because the second skill required to become a good teacher is able to explain it to your students, the concept. पहले concept समझना and उसके बाद concept को समझाना, ये 2 अलग-अलग चीजें होती है. See, you have hundreds of teachers in different colleges, your college also. ऐसा लगता है कि कभी एक ऐसा टीचर है जिसको मेरे को लेक्चर छोड़ना ही नहीं है, बिकॉज दैट टीचर इज सो वेल एक्सप्लेनिंग टू यू. एंड दूसरे टाइप के टीचर आते हैं हु माइट बी अ पीएचडी बट उनको पढ़ाना ही नहीं आता. ऐसे भी लोग मिलेंगे आपको. सो नाउ इफ यू वांट टू बिकम अ सक्सेसफुल टीचर, one thing you need to do is you should have these 2 skills. First, able to understand the concept, and second is explaining that concept to everyone. Now for that, ये skills अगर आपके पास है तो first thing you'll definitely have to go for a master's program. 1. Second, after masters you have to take an exam called UGC NET for PhD entrance. एक बार UGC NET क्लियर हो गया, PhD शुरू भी कर दिया, you can become a teacher or an assistant professor in any of the college. And once you complete your PhD, you can become a assistant professor or maybe in long run HOD or dean of your college. Now understand, teaching is one of the very underrated career. It means people, it is not that highly paid profession. But yes, with experience you will also get paid because of 7th pay commission, 8th pay commission जो गवर्नमेंट में आता है, उसकी वजह से आपकी सैलरी बढ़ती है. That is secondary. But let me tell you, good teachers are very less, and if you have that skills you can become. But हाँ, masters करना जरूरी है. First, PhD करना जरूरी है. And if you want to really become a good teacher, especially in the field of food processing technology, it is always advisable to take industry experience, because a good teacher shares all the industry experience. Engineering is about experience, it is about the technology that you learn, and it is about the new technologies that are coming up. सिर्फ बुकिश नॉलेज से आप एक अच्छे टीचर नहीं बन पाओगे, बिकॉज आपके पास वो एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होगा. कैन अ फॉरेन स्टूडेंट करंटली स्टडिंग इन इंडिया become a FSO? Why not? Everyone can. I'll definitely answer all the queries later on. Don't worry about that. The third step, what we are talking about, is nothing but your government exams. यार मेरे को गवर्नमेंट सरकारी नौकरी चाहिए है. फूड इंस्पेक्टर, someone was talking about something. Now, the best government exam, ठीक है, and I'm not talking only about food inspector, I'm talking about generalizing. Generalizing का मतलब है, ठीक है, I'm also talking about becoming one of the best government officer, that is IAS officer, IPS officer, ठीक है, रेवेन्यू ऑफिसर, रेलवे ऑफिसर, उसमें फूड टेक्नोलॉजी के भी लिए जॉब आ जाती है. अंडरस्टैंड, I'm just giving an example. Do you know which is the exam which is that you have to take for UPS? Sorry, मैंने बोल ही दिया, sorry. For IAS officer, it is UPSC. Now, undoubtedly, UPSC is the toughest exam in India because of the competition. Okay, there is a high competition for UPSC, understand? And when I'm talking about high competition, it may go to 12 to 15 lakh people every year taking this particular exam. And उसमें से सिर्फ 1000-1500 लोग सिलेक्ट होते हैं, ठीक है. सो 1000-1500 लोग सिलेक्ट करते हैं, उसमें क्या होगा, ठीक है. यश से समथिंग, सर जी मैं फूड टेक्नोलॉजी के लास्ट ईयर चल रहा है, मेरे इसमें क्या करियर का हो सकता है. डोंट वरी, आई विल टेल यू. Wait, relax. Let me complete first all the options and I'll definitely give you all the answers. Don't worry. And if need be, I'll give you my number and उसमें भी हम बात कर सकते हैं individually. But let me give you all the options. Okay. Now, when I'm talking about UPSC exam, उस एग्जाम में सबसे पहला स्टेज पता है क्या होता है? CSAT. So CSAT again, CSAT is aptitude test. जो हम जॉब के लिए बोल रहे थे, गवर्नमेंट जॉब में भी अगर आपको चाहिए तो एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट पहले चाहिए आपको, राइट. एंड एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट के बाद उसका इंटरव्यू होता है, मेन एग्जाम होता है, सॉरी मेंस एग्जाम के बाद इंटरव्यू होता है, ठीक है. इसका इंटरव्यू भी इतना इजी नहीं होता. यू विल हैव टू प्रिपेयर अ लॉट फॉर दिस इंटरव्यू. दिस इंटरव्यू गोज ऑन फॉर मोर देन 30 to 45 minutes. बट व्हेन यू गेट दिस जॉब, ठीक है, इट्स ऑब्वियसली वन ऑफ द बेस्ट जॉब दैट यू कैन गेट, ठीक है. दिस आर द बेस्ट गवर्नमेंट पोजीशंस, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन अगर मैं बात करूं, कैन समवन अ फूड टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट बिकम स्टैटिस्टिक्स और क्वालिटी कंट्रोल? स्टैटिस्टिकल क्वालिटी कंट्रोल एक स्पेसिफिक सब्जेक्ट है जो फूड टेक्नोलॉजी में आता है, ठीक है. सो एनीवन वांट्स टू बिकम अ फूड ऑफिसर इन क्वालिटी डिपार्टमेंट, यू शुड नो, यू शुड आल्सो हैव mathematics and statistics as an interest. And there is something called, there are specific courses even in your SP University, there is MQPM करके quality control पे है, ठीक है. Now these people are also getting very high salary and they can become a quality consultants. यार तुम सब जॉब करने की बात करते हो, कोई बिजनेस की भी बात करो यार. I want to become an individual consultant to a lot of companies. They will get good pay. Right, so there are different courses on quality also. Now, the fourth option that I'm going to give you is career in economics. Now, yes, sir, I am an engineer. Can I become an economist? Why not? Yes, you can. Next, अभी यहाँ पे एक सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन पूछना है. Now, there may be around 60-70 students in your college. राइट, 4 साल के मिला के देख लो तो अराउंड 150-200 बच्चे होंगे, राइट. नाउ आई विल बी आस्किंग यू वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. कितने लोगों ने सोच समझ के फूड टेक्नोलॉजी में एडमिशन लिया था? मतलब एडमिशन मिल गया, इंजीनियर करना था इसलिए फूड टेक्नोलॉजी में मिल रहा था इसलिए ले लिया, या फिर ऐसे सोच समझ के यार मेरे को लाइफ में ये करना है इसलिए दैट इज व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग फूड टेक्नोलॉजी. ये दो टाइप के लोग होते हैं, ठीक है. लेट मी टेल यू, फॉरगेट अबाउट फूड टेक्नोलॉजी फॉर नाउ. हर एक इंजीनियरिंग में मैकेनिकल ले लो, सिविल ले लो, इलेक्ट्रिकल ले लो, ठीक है. पीपल जस्ट थिंक यार साइंस किया है 12th स्टैंडर्ड के बाद, इसलिए अब मेरे को इंजीनियरिंग में ही जाना पड़ेगा, एंड दैट इज व्हाई दे गेट इनटू एनी इंजीनियरिंग फील्ड. बट अगेन द बिगर क्वेश्चन हियर, व्हाट इज द बिगर क्वेश्चन? किसी ने स्ट्रीम नहीं देखी थी, और कुछ लोग स्ट्रीम भी देखते हैं ना, तो कोई जो 40 सब्जेक्ट्स हम इंजीनियरिंग में पढ़ने वाले हैं वो देख के एडमिशन नहीं लिया था. We took admission just because, yes, I want to become an engineer. That's it. So let me tell you, 90% of the science students who have taken engineering are just
Hello?
taking engineering because they want to become engineer. There are very less number of students who actually want to get a particular degree or particular. Let me tell you my story also. In 2004 मेरे 12th में I had only 40% marks, because that time the overall 12th का result was 36%, and food technology was the last option because उस टाइम पे 17,000 सीट्स इंजीनियरिंग में थी, उसमें से लास्ट सेकंड सीट मेरे को फूड टेक्नोलॉजी में मिली थी. But at the end of 4 years I realized, yes, I am very good at engineering, and I got 8.27 out of 10, which is a distinction. But somehow I never wanted to get into technical stuff, even though I am good. My last year project was with Amul. अगर आपको पता है Amul में there is a product called bread and cookies. We were the first one to start Amul bread and cookies pilot plant in Mogar, जहाँ पे chocolate plant है. We were the first one to purchase the machinery and take the trials and formulation of bread and cookies in 2004. So understand, when I'm talking about these all things, मैं अगर आपको एक सिंपल सवाल पूछता हूँ, फॉरगेट आपने कैसे एडमिशन लिया, क्या लिया, और आप कैसे यहां तक पहुंच गए हो, बट नाउ आस्क वन स्मॉल क्वेश्चन टू योरसेल्फ. Do I really want to take my career in the same field, or I want to change the field? अभी इसमें कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं ना कि they want to take this field just because food technology किया है सर, इसलिए मेरे को मास्टर्स भी फूड में ही करना पड़ेगा. Not necessary. किसने बोला? You can have lot of different options, and not necessarily you should go for the technical. अब इंजीनियरिंग में घुस गए हो इसलिए पूरी लाइफ इंजीनियरिंग करना है, not necessary. The reason why I didn't get into, after Amul I had the job of Amul also. I had an offer from Amul just based on the project that I did. 10 out of 10 SPI in the last semester, with a 20,000 rupees of a scholarship. But still I did not take this offer, because see, I never wanted to go for a technical field. मेरे को शॉप फ्लोर में काम नहीं करना था. I wanted to get into management side, and hence I took a couple of years of experience, and then later on I went to Symbiosis for my management program. Now understand, अगर मैं ये जो भी बोल रहा हूं उसका 3 पॉइंट से क्रक्स बता देता हूं. फर्स्ट, यहां पे 3 टाइप के इंजीनियर होते हैं. पहले टाइप के इंजीनियर जिसको इंजीनियरिंग से बहुत प्यार है. फर्स्ट, दे लव देयर फूड इंजीनियरिंग वेरी वेल, right? So these kind of students should go for technical program, master's program only. You can take couple of experience, but without a master's program, let me tell you, your growth in the industry would stop, रुक जाएगा. आपको अगर 10-15 हजार की सैलरी मिल रही है, 4-5 साल के बाद वही 20-25 हजार ही मिलेगी, but understand after 5 years you are just getting 25,000, 30,000, which is very less.
So, anyways, I'll continue with the place where I left. Mostly, I was talking about the master's program. So, if any student who is inclined towards technical knowledge, you need to understand any technical knowledge requires two major aspects. The first, the love towards technical, and the second, the brand name is very important, because a lot of people, even doing master's program from some or the other college, are not able to manage the task or manage the job. और उसके बाद भी ऐसा होता है, मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम कर लिया फिर भी 20,000 की सैलरी है. अरे कैसे? लेकिन did you do it from one of the reputed college? That is something that you need to ask yourself. So what I want to say is, even for the master's program, if you are going for, make sure you are going for the best brand. इंडिया से कर रहे हो कोई टेंशन नहीं है, इंडिया से कर लीजिए. लेकिन अगर इंडिया से मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम आप करते हो, मेक श्योर यू आर डूइंग फ्रॉम द टॉप 10 कॉलेजेस ऑफ इंडिया और टॉप 20. लेकिन कोई भी आप कॉलेज ऐसे मत सिलेक्ट किए कि मेरे घर के बाजू में कॉलेज है इसलिए दैट इज व्हाई आई एम गोइंग, आई वांट टू गो फॉर दिस. I was talking about CFTRI, I was talking about IIT Kharagpur, and there are around 10 to 15 good colleges where if you are going for a master's program, you will get decent salary, decent knowledge, and a good technical knowledge. That is very. Should an engineer opt for MSc degree? See, understand, Ankita, let me tell you, name of the degree never matters. I have seen a BCom student earning 9 to 10 lakhs even after just BCom 3-year degree from a Delhi university compared to any university in Anand or Gujarat. मेरे पास गुजरात में ऐसे लोग भी है जो MBA करके गुजरात यूनिवर्सिटी से MBA करके 4 लाख की सैलरी नहीं मिल रही है, जहां पे एक सिर्फ BCom स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी इज अर्निंग अराउंड 9 to 10 lakhs only after BCom. So MSc, MS, name of the degree never matters. What matters is brand name. Let me give you one other example. For the second kind of engineers, पहला engineer मैंने बोला who loves engineering or technical knowledge or food technology should go for any top brands. Let me tell you, name of the degree will not matter. What matters is a brand name of the college. आप ME करोगे वर्सेस MSc CFTRI से करोगे, CFTRI वाला एकदम ऊपर होगा. आपके लोकल कॉलेज से ME करने से CFTRI से MSc करना आगे है. Any day it is better. Now the second type of engineers, first, they like engineering, they like technical knowledge, but यार मेरे को शॉप फ्लोर पे काम नहीं करना है, मेरे को लैब में काम नहीं करना है, मेरे को प्रोडक्शन लाइन में काम नहीं करना है. ठीक है, I want to get into food engineering company or food company or manufacturing company, but yes, I want to get into a managerial role. मेरे को बस वो एज एन इंजीनियर, एज अ शॉप फ्लोर पर्सन नहीं काम करना है. ये सेकंड टाइप के इंजीनियर होते हैं जो अलग सोचते हैं. ठीक है, एंड दे वुड लाइक टू बिकम मे बी अ प्रोडक्शन मैनेजर ऑफ अ बिग प्लांट. ठीक है, और operations and supply chain manager of a food company. For example, you have PepsiCo, you have ITC. These are the big giants in food technology, and these people manages a lot of food items, processed, unprocessed, semi-processed items. और यहाँ पे जरूरत होती है मैनेजर्स की जो मैनेज कर पाए. So these people, what they do, they go for MBA. Now MBA भी अभी दो टाइप से हो सकता है. आप इंडिया से कर सकते हो या अब्रॉड से कर सकते हो. Now India में there are good around 30 to 40 colleges which would give you a minimum pay package of around 8 to 10 lakhs after your 2 years of MBA program. Now यहाँ पे दो ऑप्शन है MBA में. ठीक है, फर्स्ट जो टाइप 2 इंजीनियर बोला, those who like their food technology or food companies, ठीक है, but want to go for a managerial role. Now these have special programs for those who have done food technology or food engineering or agriculture engineering. The first college is IIM Ahmedabad, Agri Business Management. IIM Lucknow also have agribusiness management. Third, Symbiosis also have the same. Fourth, Anand में ही एक बहुत अच्छा college है which is called Rural Management, which would give you ground realities of food and agri products and rural area. So now these are 4 top colleges that I can give you again the list of, सारी list दे दूंगा मैं, don't worry about the list of college. मैं आपको ऐसी वेबसाइट दूंगा जहां से आपको टॉप प्रोग्राम्स का पूरा लिस्ट भी मिल जाएगा based on the specialization that you want to take up. Don't worry about that. But what I want to say is getting into any random program and getting into these 5 to 6 top colleges of India, there is a difference. Learning अलग लेवल पे होती है, ठीक है, and तुम्हारा प्लेसमेंट, आई एम अहमदाबाद का एवरेज प्लेसमेंट ऑफ MBA in food and agri business management करने के बाद it's around 22 to 23 lakhs per annum. But yes, now sir, अगर वहां पे जाना है तो क्या करना है? Obviously you'll have to go for an entrance exam. One thing you have to remember, कोई भी top brands में जाना है, you'll have to go for an entrance exam, and without entrance exam you cannot get into any of the top college. Understand this. And getting into the top college means getting a brand. ठीक है? एक सिंपल सा सवाल मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ. I'll ask you a very simple question. The first question that I will ask you is, अगर आपको मैं 2 टी-शर्ट्स देता हूँ, ठीक है, मैं बोलता हूँ सेम फैक्ट्री में बनी है, ठीक है, it is made in the same factory, same color, same design, same fabric, but one t-shirt is a plain t-shirt and another t-shirt have a Nike symbol, which one would you choose? Tell me. A very simple question. 2 same t-shirts, one is a pure blank t-shirt and second has a Nike symbol, which one would you choose? Nike symbol. Very good. Take it. Now, why? That is a bigger question. Why? It's a brand, image. Why brand? Because you trust a brand. So now imagine एक recruiter जो आपको नौकरी देगा, ठीक है, उसके लिए भी एक IIM अहमदाबाद वर्सेस कोई लोकल कॉलेज में सेम वही डिफरेंस है जो एक प्लेन टी शर्ट और नाइकी के बीच में है. That is, even if you are a very bright student in some regular college versus even if you are average in an IIM Ahmedabad, understand, you'll earn and you'll get a good brand image in IIM Ahmedabad. आपको शायद चलो 22-23 लाख नहीं मिले, 20 लाख मिले या 18 लाख की सैलरी मिले, फिर भी वो लोकल कॉलेज में तो 3-4 लाख रुपया ही मिलने वाला है आपको. Why? Because एक रिक्रूटर की नजर है कि अगर मैं IIM अहमदाबाद से जाऊंगा तो वहां पे मेरे को बेस्ट स्टूडेंट मिलेंगे, बिकॉज आउट ऑफ 2 लाख स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव अपीयर्ड फॉर कैट एग्जामिनेशंस, उसके जो बेस्ट 0.2-0.3% of the people are sitting there in the best college. That is the difference. I hope you are getting what I want to tell. Now, same thing. आप मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम चूज करते हो, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है, यू गो फॉर मास्टर्स MS प्रोग्राम. अभी यूएस में वहां पे MSc बोलते हैं, वहां पे MTech नहीं बोला जाता है. अब पूछोगे सर मैं यहाँ BTech करके वहां पे MS करना जरूरी है? अरे यार, वो MS प्रोग्राम में आप 1 लाख, 1 लाख, सवा लाख डॉलर पैसा कमाओगे. दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग दैट यू कैन गेट. इवन इफ यू गेट एन $80,000 into 7 कितना होता है? 73. What I want to say is, a brand will give you a long-term image to yourself on your resume. Right? And India se bhi kar rahe ho technical, that is fine. Now, third kind of engineers. First, who loved engineering should go for master's program, MS, or maybe in India or abroad. Second, those who love food company, like food technology or food engineering or agriculture engineering, and wants to get into management position, there are special courses in management related to food technology and agriculture management. The third kind, sir, मैंने फूड टेक्नोलॉजी तो इंजीनियरिंग में सब जा रहे थे इसलिए ले लिया है, गलती से सर घुस गया हूँ यहाँ से, बट मेरे से ये काम तो नहीं होगा. These are the third kind of engineers. ठीक है, they don't want to get into food technology, food और कोई भी टाइप के इंजीनियरिंग काम ही नहीं करना है. ठीक है यार, यहाँ से घुस गए हो, आप जिंदा निकल जाओगे. You'll score good or maybe around 6 or 7 CGPA, whatever it is, but you don't want to work. See, ये जानना कि यार मेरे को फ्यूचर में इंजीनियरिंग में काम नहीं करना है, that is absolutely fine. That you have to find it from the bottom of the heart. Understand this. And if you are able to identify that this is something that you don't want to do, that is fine. You go for a management program. You have marketing, you have finance, you have HR, you have operations, you have systems, you have IT. Management, come se come, there are around 20 field in management. Someone want to become an entrepreneur, खुद का business भी करना है ना, ठीक है, उसके लिए भी अलग management courses हैं, ठीक है. So understand, you have to identify. I have done my MBA in agribusiness management, specialized in marketing, operations, and even microfinance. Let me tell you one more thing. आप सर मैं तो इंजीनियरिंग मेरे को तो फाइनेंस का कुछ भी नहीं आता. लेट मी टेल यू, इंडिया के जितने भी टॉप फाइनेंस पोजीशंस पे लोग बैठे हैं ना, 80% plus people are not a BCom or a BBA student. They are engineers. Because engineers में एक चीज होती है कि you can do anything. ठीक है, आपको अगर आपके प्रोफेसर्स रात को 2 चैप्टर बढ़ा देंगे ना, ठीक है, कोई कोर्स में या टेस्ट के पहले, तुमको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, 2 चैप्टर हो जाएंगे सर कल सुबह तक. That is the attitude that an engineer have and you should be proud of that. यही चीज एक कॉमर्स का बच्चा शायद नहीं कर पाएगा एक रात में. So first you should have that proud for engineering that you are already doing. Manisha asked, which will be the better to get a job or further study? Manisha, I'll be very clear with you. If you really want to take experience, ठीक है, तो अगर आपको 25-30 हजार रुपया पर महीने की जॉब मिल जाती है तो आप 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस लेके फूड टेक्नोलॉजी का मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम कीजिए. But if you are getting a job of 8,000, 10,000 or 12,000, there is no meaning of going for a 2 years because you are wasting your time. ठीक है. Sir, what about BSc Honors Food Technology? Excellent, that is absolutely fine. मैं ये नहीं पूछूंगा. What I will ask is from which college? Name of the degree does not matter. There would be 100 of college providing these degrees. From which college? Which type of master's program to choose based on the trends? Don't go by the trends. Go by the name, brand name. Now, the bigger question is, sir, मेरे को पता कैसे चलेगा कि best colleges कौन सी है? Now, first, if you are planning to do master's program in India, the best people, I'll give you the website and link everything, but the best people you should definitely and frequently interact with your college professors, including Diksha ma'am. वो आपको बताएंगे आपको कि कौन सी कॉलेज है, क्या है, कैसे है, सब कुछ बताएंगे. टॉक टू RVP सर, नंदानी सर, सारे से बात कीजिए आप और पता करो कि सर ये मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम यहाँ पे कैसा है, क्या है, ठीक है सर, कैसे एंट्रेंस है. They will be giving an idea. But my only concern is get into the best or the top brands. If you want the list, मैं एक दीक्षा मैम से एक लिस्ट शेयर करूंगा टॉप कॉलेजेस की, ठीक है, जिसमें आपको पता चल जाएगा कि इंडिया की और वर्ल्ड की टॉप. और मेरे को लिस्ट देने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. लेट मी गिव यू वन वेरी गुड ऑप्शन. एवरीवन हैव गूगल विद देम? यस और नो? एवरीवन हैव गूगल? ओके. गूगल में लिखिए, if it is handy with you right now, QS ranking 2020. I repeat, QS ranking. Now you tell me one thing, QS ranking में first website कौन सी आती है अगर गूगल में सर्च करो? I think the first website that you will get is topuniversities.com. Yes or no? Everyone, did you try that? Yes. This अभी तो 2021 का भी रैंक आ गया होगा. Yes, yes, correct. So this website will give me, if you search for a particular course, for example, मैं just example ले रहा हूँ, मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट करना है, मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम करना है, that is you want to get into agriculture engineering and you select the location, you'll get the list of the top universities. उसमें क्लिक करोगे, आपको एडमिशन कैसे लेना है, क्या लेना है, व्हाट आर द एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरियाज एंड एवरीथिंग यू विल गेट. पूरे वर्ल्ड का आपको डेटा मिलेगा. नाउ ideally for food technology, the best colleges you'll get in either Canada or USA number one, obviously. Europe, maybe there are a few colleges, but again, this data you will get. इसमें थोड़ा रिसर्च आपको करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज अगर मैं स्पून फीडिंग करना शुरू करूंगा then that would be a problem, right? So now, second, when I'm talking about management courses in India, which are the top colleges? टॉप यूनिवर्सिटी से आपको वर्ल्ड रैंकिंग तो मिल ही जाएगी, राइट? बट लेकिन आपको इंडिया की भी रैंकिंग देखनी है, ठीक है, फॉर द टॉप बी स्कूल्स, राइट? व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, देयर इज अ वेबसाइट कॉल्ड पागल गाय. डोंट लाफ, गूगल करो पागल गाय. Pagal Guy gives you a good analysis of the top management colleges in India, including those which are giving agriculture management or food technology, or should I say food and agribusiness management. ठीक है, agribusiness management की top colleges आपको list मिल जाएगी. Now for those who wants to get the list or something, you can get in touch with me. Obviously मैं आपको सामने से दे दूंगा कि ये कोर्स, ये colleges है agribusiness management की, और इसके लिए ये entrance exams देने पड़ेंगे आपको. बट अगेन मैं गोल गोल घूम के एक ही चीज पे आऊंगा. द लिस्ट ऑफ कॉलेजेस गूगल पे भी मिल जाएगा सब, बट व्हाट आई वांट टू से इज डोंट कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन गेटिंग इनटू एनी मीडियोकर कॉलेज जहां पे आप 2 साल मास्टर्स के वेस्ट करोगे और उसके बाद भी अगर आपको जॉब नहीं मिलता या कुछ भी नहीं मिलता, देन दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम. then you'll lose faith in engineering, you'll lose faith in technology, and you'll lose faith in yourself. इससे अच्छा तो यार 1-1.5 साल मेहनत करके मैं यहीं से एक अलग लेवल पे जाऊं. एक और करियर ऑप्शन की बात करता हूं, ठीक है? नॉट अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आर अवेयर. यू कैन गो फॉर अ करियर इन लॉ ऑल्सो. बीटेक के बाद देयर इज अ प्रोग्राम फॉर LLB, दैट इज बैचलर्स इन लॉ. इट्स अ डबल डिग्री कोर्स. तो आप वापिस एक बैचलर्स करोगे 3 साल का, एंड उसके बाद मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम कर सकते हो LLM फ्रॉम नेशनल लॉ यूनिवर्सिटीज इन इंडिया. Yes, a lot of engineers also become lawyers. ठीक है, you can choose taxation law, you can choose quality law, you can choose criminal law, family law, corporate law. There are a lot of different subjects. सर इंजीनियरिंग और लॉयर, व्हाई नॉट? मैंने पहले ही बताया, इंजीनियरिंग किया है तो आप बहुत चीजें और कर सकते हो जो आपको पता भी नहीं है. सो अंडरस्टैंड, being a food technology engineer does not mean just you are just bound to your food technology. No, you are first an engineer, then a food technology engineer, and इतना याद रखो, इंजीनियर कुछ भी कर सकता है. There are a lot of options that you can go for, and yes, there are no bound to that. There is no boundary. I hope I'm clear. Now, if someone wants to ask any questions, you can ask me. And understand, individual question जो specific होंगे, ठीक है? ऐसा है तो मैं मेरा email address दे देता हूँ, ठीक है? You can call me, or sometimes when the college reopens, I'll come and we'll just have a friendly discussion for an hour or two, ठीक है? अपनी टपरी पे. So it's been long I had that tea at the tapri. So definitely we'll have a friendly discussion with all the FT juniors, and I'll definitely guide you to that also. Right. Okay. Can you explain law thing again? Got some technical issue. Okay, Arshpreet, understand, after 4 years of engineering, there is an entrance exam for LLB. Right. Again, वही aptitude चीजें पूछी जाती है. But what you can do is, after engineering, you can go for 3-year LLB program to become a lawyer. One. And उसके बाद मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम लॉयर का 1 साल का होता है from the top university called National Law Universities. India में there are around 23 national law universities where you can go for LLM program. Right. So now, सच बताऊं अगर आपको, तो इंडिया में the highest paid profession is not an engineer or a doctor. It is of a lawyer. सबसे ज्यादा कमाने वाले दो लोग, या तो लॉयर या तो बिजनेसमैन, राइट? अगर मैं बात करूं, आफ्टर 7 to 8 years of law practice from a top college, one person can take approximately as a senior counsel around 1.5 to 2 lakh per session of the court. हारा केस जीता केस कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. And understand, when I'm talking about career in law, जब तक ह्यूमैनिटी एग्जिस्ट करता है, लॉ का करियर हमेशा ऊपर रहेगा. इमेजिन, आपको शादी करनी है, लॉयर चाहिए. तलाक लेना है, लॉयर चाहिए. बिजनेस खोलना है, लॉयर चाहिए. बिजनेस बेचना है, लॉयर चाहिए. फूड टेक्नोलॉजी के इतने कंप्लायंसेस, आपको लॉयर चाहिए. आपने कुछ बनाया है स्पेसिफिक, आपको पेटेंट करना है या कॉपीराइट करना है पूरा, आपको लॉयर चाहिए. ठीक है? एट एवरी स्टेज इन लाइफ, आप अभी कोई रेस्टोरेंट में जा रहे हो, ठीक है, definitely you will get a different options. And what I want to say is law is also one of the very good options that an engineer can explore. Okay, Delhi University से LLB होता है, and there are 4 to 5 good universities where you can study law. Hello, am I audible, everyone? Okay, so that is also one of the options. And again, I'll repeat my thing. Hello, hello. Okay, I'll repeat one more time. Please, whatever master's program you go for, it has to be one of the top branded college. So go for the top 15, top 20 program in India, or top 50 of the world. World के top 50 या top 100 तक भी world के जाते हो, still you'll get a better career for food technology. The same is with management, be it agribusiness management or a general management like marketing and finance. कुछ भी करो, what matters is brand name. अगर brand आ जाएगा, then you have done your task and you have done everything whatever you want to go for, right? But you need to understand, stop wasting time. And I'm sure that everyone can get into one of the best programs, but yes, you'll have to work hard. And sabse pehle, I already promised you one thing, that I'll give you an idea about how to prepare for this aptitude test. The first thing you need to understand is, दो तीन वेबसाइट बताता हूँ. आपके लाइब्रेरी में भी एक बुक होगी, मैथमेटिक्स फॉर MBA बाय RS अग्रवाल. प्लीज जस्ट नोट इट डाउन एवरीवन. कैन बाय इट. मैं ऑनलाइन भी कुछ सोर्सेज बताता हूँ जहां से आपको बहुत चीजें मिल जाएगी. Mathematics for MBA by RS Agrawal 1. Reasoning, verbal and non-verbal reasoning, RS Agrawal. I repeat, verbal and non-verbal reasoning by RS Agrawal. Third, verbal ability by RS Agrawal. Fourth, अच्छा ये 3 बुक इनफ है. तुमको ऑनलाइन प्रैक्टिस अगर करनी है, प्लीज गूगल इंडिया बिक्स. I repeat, India Bix, INDIABIX. It is a free source of aptitude questions along with the answers. I'm just writing it down. India Bix. Acha, here, who is eligible for FSSAI exam? Who is eligible? Malab, the basic eligibility criteria generally it should be a national citizen. One. Second, basic eligibility for, see, understand, FSSAI is nothing but a Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, right? And iska tumhara, see, as a food engineer, you all are eligible, because I think everyone would be above 18. Yes or no? everyone would be above 18. ठीक है. Yes, no doubt के कुछ ना कुछ graduate schemes को तो qualification for, अरे you are qualified, are you a food engineer, yes or no? Are you a food engineer? बस, are you above 18 years? Then why you are worried? Start preparing. Don't. I'm giving you my contact number. Wait. Let me complete one by one. First, aptitude test के लिए India Bix is a website. Start preparing for that. ठीक है. India Bix पे आपको group discussion के topics भी मिलेंगे. ठीक है. Start studying newspaper and novel because all these things will matter a lot, because without that आप आगे कोई भी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम या कहीं भी आप पार्टिसिपेट ही नहीं कर पाओगे. ओके सर, विच कोर्स आर अदर देन CFTRI milling and or to do specialize? I didn't get your question, sir. Which course are other than CFTRI milling and are you talking about which are the top other colleges other than CFTRI if you want to go for milling? Is that your question, Spandan? Okay, you want to go for milling only? That is a bigger question. I would prefer if that is the option. Okay, so you are open to other courses as well. Am I right, Spandan? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll share the top colleges list with Dipsha ma'am. She can put it on the notice board, or what I can do is you can make a WhatsApp group and add me in that one. I'll share all the list with every one of you. Management colleges, engineering colleges, MS colleges in India and abroad, everything I'll share it with you. मेरे पास पूरा लिस्ट पड़ा है. ठीक है. ड्यूरिंग जो रिसर्च मैंने मेरे इंजीनियरिंग के टाइम पे की थी, आई हैव द एंटायर, आई विल डेफिनेटली शेयर इट विद यू गाइस. Right, and even in the management ka jo top agriculture management or any top management program in India and abroad, I'll share that list with you also. Don't worry about that. Go for IIT Kharagpur also. ठीक है. वहाँ के जो courses है food technology related, ठीक है, they are very good courses. I think during my days, even I don't know if you know Dr. R.K. Jain, who retired recently. He was also an alumni of IIT Kharagpur. So definitely you can get a better idea about the course from him. But yes, IIT Kharagpur is one among the top brands. I'll say top 2 brands related to food technology in India. Do you have any other courses? Because I'll also have to rush right now. I'll give you my contact number. I think my contact number will be available with Dipsha ma'am. I'll just share it with you also. 9930. This is my contact number. By chance, if I don't pick up, just write down that, sir, I am a student of ADIT college. And you have some query. I'll call you back. Don't worry. And I'll give you my email address also. You can mail me at sanketbhatia13@gmail.com. Yes, you can contact me on WhatsApp, but I'll be able to respond only after say 8 o'clock or 8:30 in the evening. I hope that's fine with you guys. I am from different university. Don't worry. I'll still guide you. Don't worry about that. I've given you my contact number. But my availability would be limited in the daytime. But definitely if you leave a message, I'll try to reply you. Don't worry. Maybe it may take a day or two, but I'll definitely reply you. Don't worry. It will be better to create a group than responding to individuals. That is your wish. I am absolutely fine. And once the college reopens, you can just call me to ADIT. I am just 7 kilometers away from ADIT, and I'll be glad to meet you guys. Right? Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Start preparing. Don't waste time and stay safe.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir. I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for taking time out from your busy schedule. The information you shared with the students was very informative. We are confident that it was an optimistic experience for you as well. Once again, my profound thanks to you for a wonderful and informative session. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Wish you all the best. And we'll be staying in touch. Don't worry.
The times are changing, and so is the world around you. At CVM University, we help you prepare for the future, like we have with more than 10 lakh students. Come, join the educational legacy of 75 years. CVM University, enlightening the future generations.